Foreclosure renovation, Phase 8, electrical service. Safety is a major concern. Wiring a ceiling fan is a DIY activity. Wiring your entire house requires a licensed electrician. The utility company, Ameren Missouri, added a new pole and transformer. Underground service replaced the overhead suspended lines. Electrical wires are run through the attic and dropped down at various locations. The electrician is the last trade in the rough-in construction phase, since they can maneuver ductwork, plumbing, can lights, etc. Wires are kept stuffed in gang boxes for the drywall phase. Wires are labeled as the work proceeds. Some walls contain both plumbing and electrical lines. TV connections require separate cable and power boxes. Service for today's modern all-electric houses can easily exceed 200 amps. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to monitor our expanding video library.